Hi guys,
I'm Natasha.
This is Ayushi.
it's me Liza.
Rikshawali.
Devashri.
I'm Akriti.
The festive season is just around the corner.
So I have a few Vaseline hacks that will jazz up your look in a jiffy.
Want to shine this festive season? No problem. Mix Vaseline with your favorite bronzer or simply use just Vaseline for shiny, glossy, super moisturized hands and legs. I always mess up my manicures. To avoid that, just rub Vaseline on the skin around your nails. Paint your nails and then wipe off the Vaseline and any polish mistakes along with it. Waterproof mascara can be quite a task. To avoid that, apply Vaseline to Q-tips and remove stubborn mascara. Ever had a case of bloated fingers where your rings can't come out? Don't panic. Just rub some Vaseline with water onto the area, leave it for a couple of minutes, and voila, you're scot-free. That too with moisturized fingers. Ever run out of makeup remover without a safety in your vanity? Don't worry, just take some Vaseline onto a cotton pad and wipe off all your makeup. If you're a person with bad under eyes, Vaseline is the ultimate hack. Take some lemon juice, mix it with Vaseline, dab it under your eyes. 1 hour later, you are now moisturized and ready.
What if you don't have time to wax? Then the razor becomes your savior. But what if the razor is rusted? Then your hair would stain, people would be disgusted. But to stop that, all you have to do is take some Vaseline, put it on your razor and use it like a crusting. Who said only donuts can have crustings? And another awesome hack is after shaving, you can apply Vaseline onto your dry skin for extra moisturization, if you know what I mean.
No matter what the season, my cuticles always need that extra moisturization. Rubbing some Vaseline onto your cuticles will not only fix that, but it will also make it appear like you walked out with a fresh new manicure. I don't know about you guys, but my baby hair can be quite rebellious. So when I can't seem to get them under control, all I do is take a little bit of Vaseline onto my fingertips and run it through my unruly mane. Painting my nails is always a last minute thing, but I can't remember how many times I've been stuck with a gorgeous color but a bottle that just won't open. Well, all you have to do is rub some Vaseline along the bottle where the cap begins and voila.
So you're running out of blush and it's the last minute. Just quickly create your own DIY blush. You can apply a little bit of Vaseline on your cheekbones and tap a little bit of eyeshadow powder, and this way you can even control the intensity of the blush.
Hate the water stain after throwing an amazing party? Not to worry, I've got you sorted. Just apply Vaseline overnight and wipe it away. If you have an earache from too much loud music, just soak a cotton ball into Vaseline and plug it into your ears. That should fix you right up. Post-party headaches are not a problem anymore. Mix Vaseline with eucalyptus oil and apply it on your forehead for a soothing relief.
If you love coloring your hair, here is a tip for you. To stop the color from spreading onto your skin, all you have to do is take Vaseline and put it from earlobe to earlobe along your hairline. Plus point, it's moisturizing. If you feel that your skin is looking a little dull, then all you have to do is take your foundation, add a little bit of Vaseline to give your skin a luminous moisturized effect.
Do you want to repurpose your eyeshadow? All you need to do is scrape a little bit of your eyeshadow into Vaseline and you will get a customized moisturizing lip stain. If you've always wanted healthy glowing face, I have just the perfect hack for you all. Grab your jar of Vaseline and all you want to do is dab it on the highest points of your face. This will give you naturally glowing face without any fuss.